Now, if you've not seen this one, you must have been living under a rock forever. But I'm running out of ideas. Can you tell? Get yourself a Sharpie for doing layout. It's very quick. You just splat it on. It dries very quickly. You use your calipers, just mark your positions, and away you go. Also works on sheet metal for milling and everything. I'm not normally a brand name sort of person, but I've been quite impressed by how well these work on metal, which can be oily and grotty and stuff. I've tried other pens in the past that just sort of stop working properly on things other than paper, but these really do work. So get one if you want. Thanks for watching.